Google is trying to kill passwords. You know how you guys how you use the same password for everything?
Yep.
It's terrible. Worst idea. Worst idea ever. You're dead. We're all dead.
Well, I got one of those alerts from Google where they're like, you have a few unsecure.
It just
that scared the crap out
It
of
just
me.
said it just said the subject line was "Get your act together" from Google.
To sum it up thusly,
Yeah, from Sundar Pichai.
signed.
Signed.
Yeah.
It just said Mo, get your act together.
Grow up. Stop being 17.
Hey, grow up.
Yeah.
Stop looking at Vans and get some passwords. Yeah, so they're gonna make apparently 2-factor authentication mandatory, so that they can start to secure some of this because it's like another data breach every 5 minutes
Yeah.
out here. And so outside of 2-factor, they're also in the password management business. They want you to store all your stuff inside their password management.
Yeah.
No
Authenticator,
no third party necessary. You can import all your passwords. So you can have those crazy alphanumeric passwords.
Yeah.
And then
The
one
auto-generated
password.
one, yeah.
Yeah, one password which unlocks all the rest of it. So they're really coming for that and they want to fix it because, well, if anybody is invested in this thing, it would be Google.
Yeah, this is a great idea. I like it.
Security. Big security guy. Yeah, but the thing is that their business model is so much like Apple in that sense, is tied up in your entire digital identity. And what is more strongly tied to your identity than your accounts, passwords, finances, things like that.
Mm-hmm.
So if you have a breach there, you don't trust anything anymore. You don't turn everything off. All of a sudden your bank account's emptied out or your identity or whatever. Your stuff's deleted or worse, it's like one of those ransomware situations.
Yeah.
Demands are being made. So if we're supposed to entrust any of these brands with all that super important information, then it's in these brands' best interest if they want to keep us as customers to not have those events take place.
Right.
Like kind of like how the credit card companies will if you get robbed, like as far as fraud is concerned, you call them up, you're like, look, those weren't my charges, and they're like, all right, we'll back you up.
Yeah.
It's like the one task. It's like important task. So where you have your authenticator is going to matter, and where you store your passwords is going to matter because Apple has a play here. They're trying to do the same thing with iCloud and Keychain and
Yeah.
blah blah blah.